Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our networking series using the socket module. So today we're going to be looking at buffering. So this whole thing here about receiving 50, that's not really realistic. So the way that we need to handle this is we need to set it up to be able to receive smaller bits of data. So alright, we're not going to do much on the on the server side, but we are going to do a lot on the, let's save this, on the client side. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos and specific topics. So all right, so first we need to look at, let's just get rid of that too. Let's bring this down to 8 bytes. All right. So save, run server, sitting there, client, py. So, okay. So here's part of the problem. And also, actually there is one thing. We need to change this to send. I did forget that. So here we are. We ran through. Nothing changes there on the server side, but when we dropped it down to 8 bytes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can't see the space there, but it's 8. So, all right, so we do need to adjust, and we're going to handle it this way. So we need to do a couple of things. We need to get a temporary variable, full message, an empty string, and then the next thing we're going to do is while true. So this is going to be continuously looking. So we have message here, correct? So we're going to set this up. This needs to be down here. And then this is going to check if len of message is equal to 0, 0, break. So let's do this piecemeal like we always do. So then we're just going to come up here and print message dot decode. All right, save, run. Aha! So here we are. Welcome to the server. And then we have our incoming message, which is blank because we haven't built it yet. So because this is down here and it's all janky. So, but this is what we do. Let's change this just a little bit. So full message, we're taking our temporary variable and then we're going to increment message. But we need to do this as decode. All right, so we do that and then we can change this to full message. All right, save. Run server, run client, and then we don't need this one anymore. Save, get this all cleaned up, and there we are. So everything's still running on our server side correctly, and now we know how to buffer where we can break up a full message, increment through it, and reconstruct it on the client side, put it together, and put it out to the screen or wherever we need to go. So we're going to be wrapping this up right here. If there are any specific questions, you can hit me up in the comments section or over on Discord, and we'll just be moving on. Tomorrow we can talk about what we're going to do next. And tomorrow we'll be talking about what we're going to be doing next. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.